Today I'm going to teach you how to rig gar with either a bubble head or a bullet head. Gar is an absolute dynamite bait, whether you're chasing mackerel, wahoo, tuna, billfish. A well-rigged bait can be the difference between an action-packed day and a slow day. The way they skip, splash, dart through the water makes them irresistible to predators. Okay, what you'll need for this: 100-pound leader, bait spring, or you can use a lucky band if you're a bit of a cheapskate. Gamakatsu hook. Must be brand new and razor blade sharp. No use using a blunt hook. Should be able to dig a splinter out with it. Of course, you'll need your crimps and your pliers and a short length of wire. A selection of bubble heads, 15 mil, or for our American friends, 5/8. Use these on calmer days or for smaller marlin, and 25 mil inch for rougher days. You can rig these with a skirt, without a skirt, whatever you choose. The first step here is pretty simple. We're crimping our hook on with our wire. Insert the wire into the crimp. I can see it's come out the other end. The only trick is we need a 15 mil gap between the eye of the hook and the back of the crimp. Bang, our rig is made. The reason why the Y is facing upwards, it needs to go through both jaws of the gar. Once this is done, you attach your bait cone and choose a head that you'd like to run. There's these new soft heads from Tackle World. Bang, done. All you need to do then is crimp the other end. That's it. The rig is ready to rumble. All you need to do on the water now is attach your garfish to this. So now I'm going to show you how to attach the gar. Here we've got some gar that's been defrosted, ready to go. Preparation of the gar is extremely important. Step one will be to remove the contents from the stomach. We generally get our thumb and work it down, get all the air bubbles and the gunk out his bottom. There we go. You actually see it when it's empty. It's nice and sucked out like that. Step two is break the flesh away from the body without breaking the skin. You just gently massage it. You feel it break away. You hear it click and break away. It just broke away then. Here you can see me breaking his backbone without breaking the skin. You want his tail to waggle like a little dog. Once you've done your gar yoga, it's time to attach it to your rig. We're going to enter the hook through the gill plate, gently rolling it around to center it in the gar and get maximum possible gape in the hook. Then insert the wire through both jaws of the gar, like that. Afterwards, it should look something like this. Then we're attaching the bait cone by simply winding it on. One last step is to trim the gar's bill. And you can also trim this piece of wire when you're at it. Slide your rig down and you're good to go. So with the bullet head, this is going to swim below the surface, where the skipping is going to stay above the surface. Both rigs are exactly the same. There is no difference in making either rig. It's just what you attach to it makes the difference. This has been the go-to rig for light tackle for the last 40 years. Once you're on the water and you've got your rig ready, you just need to attach this to your swivel clip and you're good to go fishing. We've made this rig as simple as possible. If you follow all the steps, don't overcomplicate it, pick a couple of favourite colours, you're going to be on the fish.
There you go, guys. That's how you rig your chugger head and your bullet heads for marlin fishing on light tackle, 8 kilo. And if you guys have any questions, we'll try to break it down as much as possible for you. But Tim's going to be sitting in the comment section for the next 6 months answering all your questions. So drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any other rigs that you'd like to learn how to do in game fishing as well, drop a comment down below and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.